A proverbial light at the end of the dark, desolate cricket tunnel for the West Indies continues to be the T20 format, with the series against Australia bowling off at Sabina Park over the weekend, where the West Indies should continue to be more competitive, playing in home conditions, with a lot of the Australians from the Test series gone back down under. T20 is right in the West Indies comfort zone. More muscle and strength, less technique and thought, shorter attention span, more instinctive than cerebral. So as a kind of saving grace, the West Indies should make a better match of it against the Australians in the T20 series. Plus, we are hoping that after that debacle in the final test, the West Indies players will be motivated for some kind of revenge against the Australians. I tell you this, if the West Indies can bounce back and beat the Australians in this T20 series, all will be forgotten and forgiven. Even the 27th. Even the